Change the PCV valve on your 2.4 multi-air tube. You'll need a 10mm socket. There's one bolt in the back of this engine cover. Pull it up out of the way. And then there's two snaps on this. There's one down here and one up here. These little ball ends fit up in these sockets. Lay that down, and then you're going to need either a 15/16 or a 24mm wrench or deep well socket. The PCV valve is right here. Gently pull the hose back and get it out of the way. And take your wrench, pull down, and unthread it. You can get a new one of these at a parts store or online like Rock Auto or Jegs. This PCV valve should make a clicking sound. Now if this valve gets stuck closed, you're going to have high oil consumption, oil leaks. Oil's going to make its way through just about every seal in the motor. If this thing is stuck open, you're going to have a vacuum leak. Now, on a motor like this, it's really just going to cause a higher RPM, where this has a map sensor instead of a mass airflow. But either way, you don't want this valve going bad. I recommend changing this at about 30 to 40,000 miles. And all you have to do to put it back in is thread it back into this hole. And then just snug it up. It doesn't have to be cranked down. Remember, you're tightening plastic into aluminum. And that's tight enough. Reinstall your hose. Make sure it isn't too big to fit back over it. This hose has enough slack that if it is too big, you could cut it off back here and then just slide the rest of this on, and that would pretty well seal it back up. But as long as it goes on there and stays pretty good like that, you're okay. Put your engine cover back on and tighten your 10mm bolt down, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.